Hey guys, welcome to Quick DIY. So iPhone fix, do not attempt if you're not sure about it. It's very fragile stuff, very sensitive. If something goes wrong, you might just lose everything. So make sure you have a backup, and this should be used as your last resort, the DIY. So if there is no other choice, come on, do it. What there is to lose then? So in my case, I lost Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS. So after some help searching around on web, I found that I need to replace the flex cable. Now in order to reach to flex cable, there are about 39 steps. It's like the very end of when you have opened up your whole phone, and you will see, and then 39 steps in reverse to put back the phone together. So it took me about 2.5 hours to do everything. It might take you less time, it might take you more time. It depends how are you handling this. But anyway, I can tell you my second attempt was a success. Everything works after putting back phone together in my second attempt. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS as well. Phone is back to normal, and it's been 2 weeks. No sign of any problems. If you're looking to fix your phone by yourself, I will suggest go over internet, find out what is the solution to your problem. Every problem can be different, and different phone, different problems, and different solution. My point with this video is to show you that this is doable. It can be done by yourself if that's what you're looking for. And all I want to say is good luck with your project, and thanks for watching. Please do share, subscribe for more videos, and thank you. See you next time.